We often think of ourselves as singular beings, as simply human. But the truth is far more complex, far more beautiful. If we were to look closer, past the familiar landscape of our skin, we would discover a universe teeming with life. We are not just one. We are a walking, talking ecosystem, home to trillions of tiny life forms. These are the microbes, bacteria, fungi, and viruses that in many ways make up more of us than we do ourselves. Within the intricate pathways of our gut lies an inner cosmos known as the human microbiome. This bustling community is so vast, it contains more genes than our own DNA. Imagine a city that never sleeps, its inhabitants working tirelessly, communicating in a silent, chemical language. These microscopic partners are not passive passengers. They are active participants in our existence. They help us break down our food, extracting nutrients we couldn't access on our own. They synthesize essential vitamins, regulate our metabolism, and remarkably, they even influence who we are. Have you ever felt a gut feeling? That sensation is more real than you might imagine. It's a glimpse into the profound connection between our gut and our brain. A pathway scientists call the gut-brain axis. Along the superhighway, our microbes send constant signals to our mind. They are the unseen chemists of our emotions, capable of affecting our levels of anxiety, our vulnerability to depression, and even shaping the contours of our personality. It's astonishing to think that about 90% of serotonin, the molecule often called our happiness molecule, is produced not in the brain, but right here, in the gut, with the help of our microbial allies. This incredible partnership begins the moment we enter the world. From our very first breath, microbes begin to colonize us, teaching our fledgling immune systems how to distinguish friend from foe. Think of them as tiny drill sergeants for our body's defense forces. They train our immune cells, preparing them for a lifetime of protecting us. It's no coincidence that as our connection to these microbes has weakened in the modern world, rates of allergies, asthma, and autoimmune diseases have risen. We need this early education from the microbial world to build a resilient, balanced immune response. Children playing in the dirt, surrounded by the rich diversity of nature, aren't just getting messy. They are strengthening their inner ecosystem for life. To truly understand this bond, we must travel back in time, back to the dawn of life on Earth. Long before the first complex organisms appeared, microbes ruled the primordial oceans. They were the original architects of this planet's biology. Over billions of years, as life evolved, an unspoken agreement was forged. Our ancestors and these ancient microbes formed an evolutionary alliance, their genes and ours learning to coexist and cooperate in a delicate, symbiotic dance. This ancient pact is written into our very DNA. We are the descendants of a history shared not just with apes and early humans, but with the invisible world of microbes that has accompanied us every step of the way. But today, this ancient partnership is under threat. Our modern lives, with their gleaming sterile surfaces, processed foods, and frequent use of antibiotics, are disrupting this delicate balance. We live in cities of concrete and steel, often disconnected from the natural world that seeded our inner gardens. Stress, poor diet, and a fear of germs have led us to unintentionally weaken the very ecosystems that support our health. We're losing our microbial diversity, and in doing so, we're losing a part of ourselves. The rise in chronic illness is a stark reminder that our health is inextricably linked to the health of the life within. The path forward, then, is not to conquer or eliminate, but to nurture and restore. To heal ourselves, we must first learn to heal our inner microbiome. This means reconnecting with nature, embracing whole foods rich in fiber that feed our microbial friends, and being more mindful of the delicate balance that sustains us. It means understanding that we are not separate from the world around us, but a living, breathing extension of it. When you take a deep breath in a quiet forest with sunlight filtering through the trees, you are not just nourishing your lungs, you are nourishing a universe. So, remember this: you are not a single life form. You are a vast, interconnected community. You are a universe of life, and perhaps, just perhaps, understanding them is the key to truly understanding ourselves. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we do, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more stories about the wonders of our world. We'll see you next time.